Hey there guys, Nikki Sprout here, and today I wanted to talk about my experience going from Thailand to Cambodia. This isn't very universal of a travel topic, but I wanted to cover it anyway because I do hear people have quite a few problems, and beforehand I was pretty stressed out about it. So, here's my little what you need to do. So I was going from Bangkok to Siem Reap. The bus I took, I had to get it at 8 o'clock in the morning. They have either 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Those are the only two times, so you gotta leave early to use this option, but it's so easy because basically all you have to do is you load all your stuff on the bus, sit down, they take you to the Thai side of the border, you do your customs and check out of Thailand, go over it and you get your visa for a visa on arrival if you need to do that, or if you're prepared and you already have your visa, awesome. But I did visa on arrival, so it took a little longer. That was the most stressful part of the journey, basically because you're sitting in this room. You're like a little stressed out because you're now out of Thailand. You need to kind of be able to get into Cambodia. But also, in order to pay for this, you can pay in either Thai baht completely or a mix of Thai baht and US dollar. But you can't do just US dollar. So thankfully, I did have enough Thai baht, but I was planning on doing only US dollars. That freaked me out a bit. And so once I got my visa on arrival, I just went over, checked into Cambodia or whatever you want to call it, and then I got back on the bus. My stuff was all there, and they took me the rest of the way to Siem Reap. So pretty painless. The problem is, if you don't do that option, then you've got this thing where you're getting to this Thai city. There's not really much to do on the border cities besides cross the border. So you get to this Thai border and you go through customs, and then once you end up on the Cambodian side, do everything I had to do anyway. Instead of just getting back on whatever bus you used to get there, you now have to find transportation day of, which is not always easy, to get from the city you're in to Siem Reap, or wherever you're going in Cambodia. By the way, the Thai city I'll have right here, and then now the Cambodian city. Just to help out for the more specific information. And then this is kind of a rule always, but specifically for the Cambodian border, do not give your passport to some random person who says they'll do their visa for you. There's an office to do your visa on arrival, do it there, or do it before you get to the border. Honestly, it doesn't matter. There's a lot of times where people will come up to you and be like, hey, you need visa, I'll do it. They'll take your passport, and then they come back and they're like, so $50. It doesn't cost $50. Or if it does, then they charge you more. But anyway, they overcharge you, and now they have your passport. So if you're like, I don't want to pay that, you really don't have a choice. But in general, just, keep your passport close to you as much as you can. You do not want to lose your passport. I've had friends do it. It's bad. It's not fun. So that was my experience crossing the border from Thailand to Cambodia. Doesn't sound that bad, but obviously you can run into a lot of issues. So that would be my advice. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and then hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I have new videos out. And as always, leave your travel questions down below, or tell me about your journeys. Love to hear them, and I will see you guys later. Happy journeys. Hey there guys, Nikki Sprout here. Nikki Sprout here. I wanted to talk Nikki Sprout here, Cambodia.